Is magnesium that important for the body? Well, a deficiency in magnesium can lead to symptoms such as muscle cramps, fatigue, and irregular heartbeat. Therefore, it is crucial to pay attention to your magnesium intake. Vegans may be at a higher risk of magnesium deficiency due to the limited food choices that are rich in this mineral. This is important because magnesium plays a vital role in various bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, energy production, and bone health. It participates in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It contributes to muscle and nerve function, regulates blood pressure, supports a healthy immune system, and aids in energy production. And in this video, I will show you how to get enough of this mineral while following a vegan lifestyle. The best way to increase your magnesium intake is to include magnesium-rich plant-based foods in your diet. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of magnesium. They typically contain around 79 to 87 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams. To meet the daily magnesium requirement as stated by the FDA, which is around 310 to 420 milligrams for most adults, you would need to consume approximately between 350 and 530 grams of these leafy greens. These versatile veggies can be enjoyed in salads, stir-fries, or even as a base for green smoothies. Almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds are not only delicious, but also packed with magnesium. Almonds contain about 268 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams, while cashews provide around 292 milligrams per 100 grams. Pumpkin seeds offer around 535 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams, and flax seeds provide about 392 milligrams per 100 grams. To meet the daily magnesium requirement, you could consume a combination of these nuts and seeds, aiming for around 60 to 150 grams, depending on the specific choice. Snack on these nutrient-dense treats. Sprinkle them over salads or oats, or use them in homemade energy bars. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and other legumes are rich in plant-based protein, and they also contain significant amounts of magnesium. Lentils offer approximately 36 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams. Chickpeas provide around 79 milligrams per 100 grams, and black beans contain about 107 milligrams per 100 grams. To meet the daily magnesium requirement, you need to consume approximately 290 to 870 grams of these legumes. Incorporate them into your meals through stews, curries, or as a filling for tacos or wraps. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oatmeal are not only a great source of dietary fiber, but also provide essential minerals, including magnesium. Quinoa contains about 197 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams. Brown rice provides around 44 milligrams per 100 grams 11, and oatmeal contains approximately 177 milligrams per 100 grams. To meet the daily magnesium requirement, you could consume around 150 to 170 grams of quinoa, 710 to 940 grams of brown rice, or 180 to 200 grams of oatmeal. Enjoy them as a side dish, in Buddha bowls, or as a hearty breakfast option. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content is a delectable source of magnesium. Dark chocolate typically contains about 228 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams. Enjoy a small piece as a treat or melt it and drizzle it over fruits for a healthier dessert option. How to optimize absorption of magnesium. Soak your nuts and seeds. To enhance the bioavailability of magnesium in nuts and seeds, consider soaking them before consumption. Soaking can help break down phytic acid, a compound that can interfere with mineral absorption. Fermenting and sprouting grains, legumes, and seeds is another way to increase the bioavailability of magnesium. Try incorporating fermented foods like tempeh, sauerkraut, or sourdough bread into your diet. Did you know that vitamin C aids in the absorption of minerals, including magnesium? Pair magnesium-rich foods with vitamin C-rich options such as citrus fruits, berries, or bell peppers to maximize nutrient uptakes. For a list of the best vitamin C sources for vegans, check out this next video about the top 10 vegan sources of vitamin C to boost your immune system.